Hope everyone is doing well. We're here in St. Philip. This development is St. Martin's Terrace, and we're now checking out a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom ground floor unit in this 3-unit complex. As you could see, it's a really nice neighborhood. So let's take a floor now to check out the unit. So there is a main house upstairs and 2 apartments on the ground floor. There is a 1-bedroom right here behind this door, which is already rented out long term. So now let's take a look at this 2-bedroom right here. Now entering our new exclusive in St. Martin's Terrace, St. Philip. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. As you could see, it's a easy flowing floor plan. You have your kitchen, of course, your stainless steel fridge and stove, good countertop space. And right across from the kitchen, you have your open living area with dining, ceiling fan. I love that there's air conditioning already fitted. Look, here you have your bar area. Space there for your pantry goods and broom closet. So this is the primary bedroom. You have your ceiling fan and air conditioning. Good closet space. Now let's take a look at the ensuite bathroom. So you got your stand-up shower. Now let's go back out to the living. You really have to appreciate this open plan design. Such a comfortable space. Here is bedroom number 2. Air conditioning and ceiling fan. Closet space fitted again. You have your laundry nook here, your washer and dryer combo, some shelf space, and then here is bathroom number 2. So just to recap, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom ground floor unit. There's the main house upstairs and 1 other unit on the ground floor. So if you're interested, give Global Estate Agency a call at 426-9469. Before we close off this video, forgot to show you the rear of the property. So you have a clothesline for those clothes that you don't want to put in the dryer. So it's a decent sized backyard. And then there is the walkway that you would have seen from the front of the property